You are on.
Hi, this is Dan Laufman with Emotiva Audio. We're at CES 2016, and I want to tell you about our new X Series Gen 3 amplifiers. The new XPA amplifiers are a breakthrough product for us this year, and we're showing them here at the show and had an incredibly strong reception and approval rating on these amplifiers. The unit you're looking at now is a 5-channel version of the XPA series. It's got 5 independent monoblock blades, and we can configure them at the factory for anywhere from 1 to 7 channels. The interesting thing about the XPA Gen 3 amplifier is we've gone from a toroidal transformer to a switch mode power supply. If you come over here for a minute, Jim, you can see we've replaced the traditional 60 Hertz transformer with a very high current, high performance 3 kilowatt switching power supply. Now, the advantages of the switching power supply are that you have no residual AC hum floating around inside the chassis. We have excellent load line regulation, which means that as the AC input fluctuates up and down with load, the power supply rails are maintained at a very fixed, solid level, and the energy density at low frequencies, that is, the low frequency performance and control and impact, is just absolutely stunning compared to a transformer-based design. And if I can swap places with you here, I'm going to show you the gain block that we use in the XPA series amplifier. This is a 300 watt monoblock amplifier module, and this is in every single amplifier we build, so you order 1 to 7 channels. Of interest is we use on semiconductor power devices. It's a fully discrete design. It uses the amplifier technology from our XPR series amplifier, which have been widely recognized as exceptionally good amplifiers and award-winning design. And we've done a couple extra special things. To minimize dissipation and improve efficiency, we've actually added a Class H rail switching topology that allows us to minimize quiescent losses in the amplifier. So at low power levels, the amplifier runs at about half the normal rail voltage, and this circuit senses the output voltage, and as the output voltage swings above the low rail, it instantaneously switches to the higher rail to allow full output, and it does so in a very seamless and transparent fashion. So it's immeasurable, it's inaudible, and yet we drastically improve the performance of the amplifier's efficiency. We reduce the operating temperature almost to just ambient room temperature. It's really quite remarkable. You can drive these amplifiers, and they just remain barely warm to the touch. So we're really excited about the XPA series. Balanced and unbalanced inputs. I don't know if I'm moving this too close for you, but you can see we have selectable balanced and unbalanced inputs. And the XPA Gen 3 amplifier is going to be the backbone for a new series of high-performance amplifiers from XPA. There'll be other modules available. We'll have a monoblock module that has double the power that'll give 500 watts into 8 ohms. We have a stereo module being developed for this series. So this represents a whole new paradigm for our company. It's a revolutionary design from a technical standpoint. They're assembled and tested and packaged and configured in the USA, and we're extremely proud of them. To give you an idea on pricing, which you see across the room, the fully configured XPA 7 with 250 watts per channel into 8 ohms, all channels driven, will retail for $19.99. 5-year warranty, assembled and supported in the USA, and from a service and support standpoint, it's fully modular, so it's very easy to, in the unlikely event of a repair, I like to say in the unlikely event of a repair, we can instantly repair it and get you back up and running very quickly. So that's our new XPA Series Gen 3 amplifier for 2016, and we're really pleased and proud of it. Thank you for your time.